that you need to have some strategies in place. And this is where it's helpful to have a coach, because we all have brilliant ideas at some point in our life, right? We have this idea, oh, let's make a good video. Ooh, that would make a good video. But then when you actually sit down to go make video, you have no ideas. Where did all my ideas go? And so having sort of like an idea gathering system is first and foremost, I think, the most important. And we have tools like this on our website at thevideomarketingschool.com. We have sort of these Excel spreadsheets and these video marketing guides that will help you to do this. But we also train our clients to think, creatively for their business. So I like to think of the 5 W's, right? Like who, what, why, where, when, and how to. Let's start with how to, right? So you're a paint company. What are the big how-to questions that your audience is asking you, right? It's going to be like how to match the color paint that I want to find, right? How to make my living room, how to paint my living room so it looks more open, right? Let's go to what is the best color white for a living room paint? What is the difference between like a matte and a other kind of finish, right? So you're going through the questions that your audience is already asking, and they're probably asking on Google and YouTube, and you're making those into videos. And these could probably be 2 to 5 minute videos, but I would actually urge you to even go a little deeper if you can, but 2 to 5 to take the pressure off. But think of how many questions, right? So it's like, how do, I don't know anything about paint, my dad is so embarrassed because my dad was a painter my whole life, and as a kid, and he knows everything about painting, but it's like none of it rubbed off on me. But you get the point, right? So it's like how to buy, how much paint should you buy for a 3,000 square foot house? And hey, everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to figure out the amount of paint you need for, first of all, you measure the walls, you add them all together, you get this number, you add 15%, and then you go buy this many gallons from Home Depot. Hey, if you need any other questions, visit our website at paintsrus.com. Right? Boom. Mm-hmm. Easy. You're done. It's really easy. And you're going to find that videos like that, you're going to get 7 views, 10 views, 15 views, and everyone's going to laugh at you. They're going to say, hey, Jim, I told you this YouTube thing is stupid. You're a stupid guy, Jim, and we are going to be laughing over beers. And then in 60 days, that video is going to explode and have tens of thousands of views on it.